Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick update. If you are on the May 2019 update, you have received a cumulative update that was a optional update in your system on August the 30th. Now, a lot of people are reporting a major problem with it. They're reporting that one of the big problems of that major update is the fact that the CPU usage soars to really high usage, if not 100%, even if you're not doing anything on your PC. And you can actually look at this and go into your taskbar, right click, go into the task manager, and look at the CPU usage. It shouldn't, when you're not using your PC, be at 70, 80, or 90%. It should be a much lower number depending on the PC you have. Of course, older PCs usually have higher CPU rates, but still, if you see that, you should see that in the list of all the processes that are actually using it, something called Search UI. That is the one that seems to be bogging down the system, and this is happening only since the last cumulative update that we've had, which appeared on August 30th. So if you are having issues with this update, go into your settings in Windows 10, go into Update and Security, go into the Update History. Here you'll see that the cumulative update that installed was KB4512941. Go into Uninstall Updates at the upper left. In here you can click on it and click the Uninstall button. It will ask you to restart your PC, but once you do that, you're back to the last cumulative update. This one is optional, so you don't have to install it. It's going to show up, but once again, show up in the section that will be the optional downloads section. So leave it there. And if you're scared of getting it, because with Patch Tuesday it might come back actually, well, you have the ability in the version 1903 in your update and security. Go into the advanced option and you can actually select a date into which you want to pause updates up to 35 days. Here, Monday, October 7, 2019 in my case. So just go there and select a date and pause the update. And, just pause the update until you feel that maybe it's okay. Unfortunately, Microsoft is not talking much about it, and one of the biggest problems is the fact that they're not testing enough. And this is driving a lot of people nuts. They need to test more because there is an issue with this update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.